Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's my world, it's your world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another video coming to y'all, you know what I'm saying, on the charger build project. I just ordered a new thermostat, it just came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace my thermostat on my charger. It's a 2012 Dodge Charger, so if you got one and your thermostat go out, get a little engine light on, I'm gonna show you how to go ahead and replace that real quick. It's easy and simple, and also why I got well, I'm gonna show y'all right now. So the thermostat is actually, if you can see, it's kind of dark, but it's actually right there. Yeah, it's right there. So just gotta take this off to get to it, and while I got it off, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this, and I'm gonna paint my god damn, I can't think of the name of this shit right now. I'm having a brain fart. My fuse box cover, yeah, my fuse box cover, and my engine cover, and my filter cover. So I'm gonna go ahead, take that off, and I'm gonna install the new thermostat and paint this shit. Alright, so first things first, in order to get this off, you got a little hose right here. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Okay, there it is. Got this hose right here, and what I just did was just take a flathead screwdriver and just kind of wedge it out, and so I can move it with my hands, and then you just go ahead and push that out like so. Disconnect it. Y'all see? Yeah, disconnect it. And now we're gonna start unscrewing this. Alright, so we got this off now, and we can actually take this off, but I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the other ones. We're about the engine cover off real quick. Come over here. Got a screw right here. Remove this screw right here. Alright, so once you got this screw loosened right here, you can go ahead and pull that off of there. But it is a sensor, right there that you got to remove. Basically, you just push it in and turn it to the left, and then just pull on it, and then it'll come right out like that. So now I can go ahead and take that whole thing off. Okay, so the next step, you're gonna want to get you a drip pan and put it under the radiator, and it's a little tab inside. I'm gonna show it to you, and you just turn that tab, and then you let the coolant, let it drain out. Okay, so I got my drip pan under there now, and if you're planning on reusing your coolant, make sure you use a clean drip pan, and as soon as it's done draining, you take it in the house and cover it up or some shit. Me, I'm gonna use all new coolant in here. So once you I'm gonna show y'all where the nozzle is at. Once you come into the engine, you look straight down next to the radiator. You see that tab right there? I'm trying to show it to y'all with my hand on camera. It's kind of difficult, but I might just have to put an arrow in the video. Oh no, you can see it. It's right here. It's all the way at the bottom, right there. That tab right there that my finger is on. So you just turn that, and the coolant gonna start to come out. Once you get the nozzle turned and your coolant starts to come out like that, you're gonna wanna come over here and take your top off of your coolant tank to make it easier. So once you take the cap off, you should notice that the coolant starts coming out a lot easier. So you just wait for it to empty out all the way, and then we'll actually take the thermostat off. So just waiting for that right now, but I am going to start painting these covers, washing them and painting them. Now we go ahead and take the thermostat off. Just like that, come off the thermostat. So here you go, the thermostat right here. As you can see, my ring, I had to move it up to take it off, but now I'm gonna be able to take it off and reuse it for the next one. We got old thermostat, new thermostat right here. So about to go ahead and install the new one. Slide that in there. Now before you put the new one on, you want to make sure you wipe down the surface, wipe down this whole surface area. Once you install the new thermostat, you're going to want to turn the bleed screw as you pour in the new coolant until you don't see any more air bubbles, and then you tighten the bleed screw, and then go ahead and start the car and give it a nice rev. Alright, now we got the coolant in there, so we gonna get some water and dump it in here and clear out all that coolant that leaked out. Make sure you get that because it will corrode your belts and everything, so make sure you put water on that after you're done. Catch that on that hole. So now we got the new thermostat on there. As soon as I get done painting these coverings, I'm gonna put the coverings back on, and then I'm gonna give it a start and hear how it sounds. thermostat installed. Now it's just time to see how it sounds. They said turn your heat all the way on and rev the engine, and that's supposed to be like how you know for sure everything's all good. Everything's good.
My YouTube channel and my uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.